So apparently there's this glitch where you can get the paper airplane for free, and I figured it out. But I already bought the paper airplane, but I don't have it on, so we'll see if it still works. So you go here and put the paper airplane in your cart shop. Sorry. Then you equip it and you throw it and go out. And I have it. But I don't have it equipped. So this means it still works. But just the thing is, no one else can see it. And you can only have it when it's in your shopping cart. Because look, if I remove it and leave, it's not there. So, yeah.